Good evening, ma'am.
Evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Please come on the cameras, everyone. Put on your cameras, everyone.
Ma'am, my camera is not working today.
Whose camera is not working now?
Ma'am, Rishit.
See what happened?
No, no, I'm like, I thought it works today, but like when I click on it, like it's showing that you have some trouble with your camera.
Okay. Rest of you. Okay. So I thought that it would be good if we can revise the chapters today. So honestly, answer how many of you have done that worksheet I gave as homework for
Ma'am,
respiration?
I did it because like we have a Ganesh Nimajanam at our home, so I
Oh,
couldn't do it.
yeah. Okay. Others? Others quickly. Shriyansh, Adrit, Ashwat. It means no, na?
And yearly exams are going on.
Hmm. So open that worksheet now, and we are doing it here only. Do you have, or should I share on screen?
Ma'am, can you share it on screen?
Okay.
I got it.
It's not one question, one by one, and you have to write in the chat so that I can go through all of your answers. Okay. So let's start doing with the first question, true or false. Okay. Keep writing your answers in chat first for the first one. First part. Exchange of gases takes place in plants through leaves only. Okay. Four answers. Only 3 students have written? Advika, Adrita, and Rishit, correct? Other students, quickly answer. Answer quickly. For rest of you, I'm waiting. Does the exchange of gases takes place in plants through leaves only, or any other part is? Why you think, Sriyansh? Why you are not confident? Good, Ashwat, correct? Okay. Ashwat, explain why false. The answer is false actually. Why false? Tell quickly.
Ma'am, like other gases like nitrogen also come through roots. Ma'am, and through lenticles also.
Mhm.
Ma'am, through lenticles.
State the other parts of plant. Lenticles is something present on the part and not the part. So apart from leaves, which other part is involved in
Ma'am,
respiration?
roots.
Some stems and roots.
Yeah. So not only leaves, but stem also and roots also respirate. Okay. Okay, Sriyansh. Second part. Frogs can breathe through their skin as well as lungs. Okay. Ashwat, Advika, Adrit, Afan. Correct. Fine. True. This is true.
Yes.
Insects have spiracles on the lower surface of body. Lower surface. Okay, Adrit. Mm-hmm. Keep telling me. Okay, Advika. Rishit. The spiracles are present on the lower surface of body. You can turn
Sorry,
the.
ma'am. Yeah, I got confusion.
Hmm. Correct. Still few are left for third part. Hmm. Correct. Move to the second fill in the blanks. The roots of a plant take up oxygen from the dash trapped between the particles. From the fill the blanks first part. Quickly. Okay. Okay. Advika and Rishit, fine. Shouldn't be little quick in answering. You just have to write single word. Advika and Rishit, okay. Only Advika and Rishit, children, come on. Roots of plant take up oxygen from the blank. From what they take up the oxygen? Where are the roots? Roots are embedded into the soil, and there are spaces present in between the soil particles. So what is trapped in that spaces? Come on, children, be quick. Okay, Afan? These are the direct, simple statements. Still, you people are taking time. Only 3 answers I've got. Afan, don't write the answers at once. You know, I can scroll up again and again. That's why. We'll come to second. It's okay. Okay. All are supposed to answer. Everyone. I want 8 answers. Okay. Move to second one. Fine. All correct. Air. From the air. Next. Exchange of gases in the leaves takes place with the help of Advika fine, Rishit fine, Afan fine. For second. Keep posting. Keep posting your answers. Okay, Charvik. Okay. Keep going. Children, keep going. Okay, fine. With the help of stomata. Good. Third. Cockroaches breathe with the help of air tubes called Okay. Good. Charvik, Advika, and Rishit. Good. Rishit. Okay. Siddhant. Rishit, tell the answer of third part and explain.
Ma'am, the cockroaches have the 8 tubes, like they are called trachea.
Why not spiracles?
Ma'am, because spiracles, like for humans we have nose, and for cockroaches they have spiracles. So, like it's just a organ where the oxygen is taken in.
Just Siddhant, its spiracles is just the opening, like we have nostrils. It's not a tube. Okay. Third.
Okay.
Pick the odd one out from each on the basis of respiratory organs. Okay. Fine. So first, cockroach, grasshopper, snail, and ant.
Ma'am, in this what shall we do?
You have to pick the odd one out based on the respiratory organ. Means how do they breathe? Like cockroach breathe via spiracles. Uh, Snail also, I guess, and grasshopper also. It's okay. This is something new for us because we have never seen such animals, by the keen observation. I also feel ant is the answer. Adrit, you think snail? Okay. Lizard, cow, earthworm, and snake. Okay, do one thing. Wait for this question. Leave this question for now. Let's discuss it tomorrow, okay?
Ma'am, I sent the answers.
Okay, Siddhant, fine. But still, okay, let's discuss it tomorrow again. Fine. Now, very short answer. In some animals, exchange of gases takes place through its thin and moist skin. Name one such animal. Name. Hmm. Okay. Rishit. Okay, Rishit. More answers? Come on. Okay. Fine. Only two have answered. Eight are present. Here are six. Okay, Siddhant. Correct. Be quick. Charvik, do you really think that we, in humans, exchange of gases takes place through skin? Do we respirate via skin? Okay, then try to do like this. For how much time can you hold your nose? Okay, fine. So, we can say earthworm. Okay, they respirate via skin. Second part, respiratory organ in frogs.
Ma'am, I already sent the answer.
Same. Siddhant Advika, fine. Respiratory organ in frogs, quickly. Then class, what happened? We have just finished the chapter. You cannot say that you haven't revised or something. Second answer, I'm waiting for you people. Three only I've received. Okay. Frogs respirate through skin as well as through lungs. Okay. Next, certain small pores are present on the surface of plant through which gaseous exchange occurs. Identify these. These pores are known as stomata, stomatal openings. Okay, listen everyone now. This short answer, 4 short question. This is your homework for today. I hope these 4 questions wouldn't feel, enough to you. Means these are very less. Just you can finish it out in 10 minutes hardly. So this is your homework for today. Note this down and I want everyone's answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Class 7. Now we are taking other chapter, light worksheet. Let us revise light also once. It's been a lot long we have finished up light chapter. Again, start writing the answers in chart only. Light travels along a blank path. Quick. Okay, Advika. Be very quick in answering.
Ma'am, I sent you my answer.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. Adrit, explain tell the answer to everyone and explain.
Ma'am,
Light
actually,
travels
that light travels in a straight line.
And this property of light is known as? What is property of traveling in straight line always is known as?
Ma'am, rectilinear.
Ma'am, rectilinear propagation of light.
Next, speed of light in air is not exact, but approximately if you remember, you can write, that's fine. Next, second part quickly. If you don't know, okay, it is anyone, any idea?
Ma'am, it is, ma'am, 3 lakh kilometer per hour.
Okay.
The round of, like the
I never
approximate round
heard
of.
this word, like 340 meter per second. Yes, we can convert it in kilometer per hour also. If you can do it quickly. Just convert this down quickly and solve other parts
It
also.
is
I'll be just back.
0.34. Ma'am, I sent all the 5 answers. Ma'am, once can you repeat, your voice was breaking?
Yeah, what is the value in kilometer per hour? 3 lakh kilometer per hour. Okay.
I'm 0.34 kilometers. Oh, okay.
The speed of sound was in my mind for the whole time. I'm so sorry. Let me correct it. But you people are correct. It is 3 lakh meter per 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Sorry. Move to the next.
Ma'am, I sent the answer like all first five, all first questions.
Can you imagine 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second? Oh my God. Okay, light is composed of tiny particles called
Ma'am, photons.
Siddhant. Tell answer. Say
Ma'am,
to everyone and with a spell. Hmm?
Ma'am, light is composed of tiny particles called photons.
Okay. So if you all remember, let me brief you about this. Light has dual nature. Light travels in the form of wave as well as in the form of particles. And
Particles.
when it travels in form of particles, we tell that the packets of energy means packet n. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Others. Hmm. Next, an image that cannot be obtained on a screen is called the plane mirror we people have in our home. Does it form a real image obtained on the screen?
Ma'am, an image that cannot obtain on a screen is called virtual image.
Hmm?
A virtual image?
What about you? Okay. Other students, I'm asking to others, does that plane mirror in our home obtains the image on the screen? Is there any screen you have placed? Or is the mirror itself, when we
Ma'am,
go
the
in the
mirror
front
itself
of
is a
mirror,
screen.
we see somebody like, but we cannot say it is mirror, it is all painted. So where is the screen? Okay, that image is virtual. Fine. The image on screen example is the movie that you watch in theaters. Okay. The projector in your schools is an example of real. By the help of lens, so we can create for example. So that image cannot be obtained on screen is for virtual image, like for a mirror. Then just tell this. 7th class, come on. Okay,
Can I
Advika,
send?
because a cinema screen is actually projected via lens. So that is a real image. And you can say like when the movie gets over or right in the beginning when you have reached, quite well before the time, you find that that's a simple white color curtain or sheet kind. So that is acting as a screen and the image is casted on that curtain. So it is a real image. Thank you. Next, true or false? Real image cannot be obtained on screen. Oh my God. See how similar they both are. Real image cannot be obtained on screen. At least this all can tell. Only Advika. Other students, what are you doing? Please come up, speak up.
Ma'am, I sent already all the second question.
Hmm?
Ma'am, I sent second question A, B, C, D, E.
I have checked it, Siddhant. What about other students? See, if you people would be answering very quickly, then I would have stopped this worksheet. But you are unable to answer. That means revision is missing, isn't it? We continuously need to revise the back stuff that we have completed. Okay, Rishit. More students. Only 3 have answered. Okay, Charvik. So real image can be obtained on a screen and hence it is false. Light travels in circular path. Advika, correct it.
Ma'am, it travels on a straight path which is called as rectilinear propagation.
And hence this also is false. Direction of light can be changed with the help of a mirror.
Ma'am, true.
Okay, great. And what that phenomena is known as? If we are changing the light, then
Reflection.
reflection. Good.
Reflection.
Appears left in its image. Is that true?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
this
Yes, ma'am.
property of image is known as Charvik. What this property is known as? This characteristics of image? Come on, quickly. Shouldn't be quick. No. Anyone else? Advika, tell to everyone.
Lateral inversion.
Hmm?
Lateral inversion.
Okay. Next, we can see a candle through a straight pipe, but not through a bent pipe.
Ma'am, true. Ma'am, the answer is true.
You are able to see definitely. But if you just bring a curve, little,
My voice is breaking.
hmm, you still be able to see the flame. Is it false?
False, ma'am.
Is it false? Let's discuss. This is the way we are revising this chapter. It's not a test. Don't worry. But very bad, 7th class.
Ma'am, it is false. I'm true.
Now it's
Not a
true.
single answer. Write in the chat. Let me see how many are going with true and how many with false. And let's discuss. Everyone, please write the answer in chat quickly. I'm waiting. Okay, Advika. See, those who are not responding anywhere means then I'll not take the surety that your how your exams are going to be, because we need to revise chapter. I know things fades away, the concept fades away in our mind with time. That's why only I took this light worksheet today. In the very beginning, we did this chapter. So come up. Okay, then the ones who know the answer, they have shared in the group itself only.
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
Those who know the answer, they have shared with me in the chat, and I know they all are correct, so that's fine. If you don't want the discussion, if you don't want to clear your concepts and for revision, that's totally fine. Let's move to next. Answer the following questions. State two properties of light. Quickly write any two properties in the chat again. For those who want to speak up, they can unmute and discuss. Here, two properties only.
Ma'am, reflection, and it can also refraction.
Okay.
I'm rectilinear propagation.
It can also be.
Ma'am, it can also be my answer is reflection and refraction.
That's fine. Okay. But directly just writing reflection and refraction would be a little bit awkward. So you can bit explain, like light on striking any surface.
Like reflecting means when light bounces off from a plane surface, it is reflection, and refraction is when light changes its direction when it's passed from one medium to another.
Correct. I think only one property you mentioned, and Rishit, both are correct. Okay. So I hope you have got the answer. B.
Ma'am, can it be dispersion?
Dispersion. Yeah, dispersion is also correct. Next, suggest an activity which shows that light travels along a straight line path. Any idea by what activity we can show this? One
Ma'am, like
of the activities this
Now
true
we,
false state.
now we can light a candle and put a straw in a straight way and in a bent way. So we can see the light clearly through the straight candle. But when we bend it, the light stops at a single point.
ma'am, also we can
This
do
will
one
be
more
showing us
experiment.
that
Like
I
if we
for
take one candle and if we light the candle and if we take some cardboards and make a hole, when we keep the hole at the same place, then light we can see the light from the other end. But if we keep in opposite place, we cannot see the light in the same path.
correct. One more property you can show. You can take a phone torch or very narrow beam of light and put a comb in the front of that light or something with the, very narrow slits. Then the light there, it will be showing two phenomena at once, two properties. One is that straight traveling of light, your path will be visible. And while performing this, you have to make the complete dark in the room, okay, except this torch. Through that slits, narrow slits, or this isn't given in class 6 or 7, I don't remember. Like comb we can take, the light would pass in between the slits, and further they will be reflecting like this. So reflection is also visible, and a straight line, the rectilinear property is also can be seen in this experiment. You can do the one thing, just do this now. Please don't say that you do not have any stuff for that. Everyone is calm, everyone is torch, not a torch, then phone torches, mobile torches, okay? A piece of plain mirror you just need, if you can manage for this. Make complete dark in the room, place it on the table, the mirror on the table or so with some support, and perform this. And if possible, take picture with any other phone and please share, okay? Next, when we see an ambulance, we see the letters which actually appears to the right is seen by us on the left. What is this effect called? Okay. Hmm. Only one answer by Advika. Advika, fine. Please tell the answer to everyone.
Ma'am, it is lateral inversion.
And lateral inversion.
And why it is written that way? Why it is written that way? Means if we are looking at the ambulance word directly, we will find this inverted. Why it is written that way and not the correct way?
Ma'am, because in cars, the car mirror, there is like a concave mirror which like sees the ambulance. Like we cannot see the ambulance, and like if it's in a like a normal way, then we cannot see it in like we'll see it in a lateral way.
Any other amendments anyone would like to?
Ma'am, I think the letters are printed in reverse so that they can be viewed in a mirror or by drivers approaching from the opposite direction.
Not the opposite direction, but because ambulance is known for, emergency. So and it needs pathway on the road, even in case of a traffic. So anyone who are looking at ambulance in the rear view mirror, they can, read it correctly and get the meaning and quickly give them this path to pass on. Just the simple reason concept is behind this. What is reflection of light? How does it takes place? Already discussed. How will you make a plain mirror from a glass sheet? Hint and answer. How can you make this?
Ma'am, actually, I have all those. Like, can I show? Like, I have the materials. Like, I tried this experiment.
This one, with the yellow pen that I have drawn.
Not that one, ma'am. Like, the E question. And the question that you are discussing.
Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. Wait, hold on. Let me finish this. Siddhant, turn
Yes, ma'am.
on.
Yes, ma'am.
I was thinking, please come on the screen.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like, what I did is, this can be a plain mirror in a case.
like it's reflecting the light in my laptop. Actually, what I did is I used one property. I took one plastic sheet and one, like I took one cardboard, and what I did is I just joined them together because this just a minute. Yes, ma'am. This plastic sheet, like it will allow the light to pass through it, and for covering the light, like when it passes through, it cannot form a plane mirror. So to cover the light which is passing, we need an object. So what I did is I just took one this cardboard and I kept it backside, and then it started like it formed a mirror. Yeah.
And but the image formed in it is like not that clear like as a plain mirror.
Siddhant, I was logged out of meeting. Can you please make the video?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you please make a short video of the same and share in the group?
No, I can't share in the group actually. Like they're not allowing.
Personally to Nisha ma'am or me, to anyone.
I'll send you.
Okay, great. And please perform that reflection activity by the mirror and torch and form and the dark room. Okay, that will look great. You can see correctly the path of reflection and bending of light. Okay, fine. Bye bye. See you soon.
Amen.